Hello guys, welcome to MA Tutorials. This video is based on how Samsung made their commercial posters in just 4 steps. Let's dive into the video. Step 1. Download and place the S21 images. Download the Samsung Galaxy S21 images from the Samsung Mobile Press website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and download the images in higher resolution. After downloading, open a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator, then press Shift plus F7 to open a line tab. Then go to File, click Place, select the S21 images, and place it into the artboard. Step 2. Resize and adjust the image. Press Ctrl and minus to zoom out the artboard. After that, select the backside of the Galaxy S21 and change its height to 635 pixels. Then select the front side of the Galaxy S21 and change its height to 515 pixels. Then select both images and place them inside the artboard. Change the artboard adjustment to 50%. Then select the back side of the Galaxy S21 and click on Crop Image. Crop the S21 part and click Apply. Then move it to the right corner and vertically align it to center. Do the same thing for the front side of Galaxy S21 and place it near to the Galaxy S21 backside. Step 3. Type the commercial texts. Select the Type tool from the toolbar and type the text Galaxy S21 5G, S21 Plus 5G, S21 Ultra 5G. Then hold the Alt key and drag the text to duplicate it. Then replace the middle text with the text Pre-order now. Then replace the bottom text with the text, get up to $200 in Samsung credit, and a free Galaxy Smart tag. Step 4. Change the font and its size. Select the top text and change its font to ITC Avant Garde Gothic STD, extra light condensed to Demi, and font size to 32 points. Move the text above and select the second text Pre-order now and change its font to ITC Avant Garde Gothic STD, extra light condensed to Demi, and font size to 90 points. Move the text above and select the third text and change its font to ITC Avant Garde Gothic STD, extra light condensed to medium, and font size to 32 points. Then arrange the commercial texts in order. Yeah, we did it. Thanks for watching. If you need logos, posters, for website and companies, order link in description. You can order there. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.